Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off Find My on iPhone if it's grayed out. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to turn off Find My. So first of all, you have to open the settings. So guys, if Find My is turned off or grayed out, then you have to open the general first and make sure that you have updated your device and scroll it down. And from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Just simply have to reset your network setting and also make sure that you have turned on your location. And after that guys, open the settings, scroll it down. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, and you can easily see here guys, share my location, and you can easily see here guys, find my iPhone, and you can easily see here guys, here is the find my option. So guys, you can turn it on very easily. Okay guys, so guys, if it's grayed out, then let me tell you that you have to do the process, like you have to update your device, you have to reset the network setting, or also make sure that if your date and time is correct and you have turned on the location. So you have to do the four steps and just simply have to restart your device, and after that guys, you can easily find my, you can easily turn off or turn on from here. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.